Hello friends. Today's video we will discuss the right way to upload a video to the YouTube so that your video will have more probability to getting the views. Not wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, we discuss that how a normal people upload their video to the YouTube. Usually people directly go to the YouTube and then they upload the video, which is the right way but not the best way to upload. So what is the best way? Let's start with the basic way which almost all YouTubers are using. Normally upload the video from the YouTube app. Then they have these options. After completing the video description and title, they simply publish the video, which is the way almost all are using. In this process, you have some basic options, which are not sufficient to make your video for most of the audience. For making huge audience, you have to enable some more technical options, which are not on the YouTube app. So if they are not on YouTube app, then what to do? Generally, there are 3 options to uploading the video. Mostly the small YouTuber are using the smartphone for making the videos, so that they do not have some more option just like the laptop user, but you can also use them by using the third option, which is the browser option. Simply you have to go in the browser, whatever the browser are you using, that's not the problem. Any browser you can use. Now log into YouTube Studio in the browser and open in desktop site. After the login, you can upload the video. Now here you can see the option which are not in the YouTube app. They are now visible and you can use it. Here are some advanced feather which are not an app and it can only usable on the browser. So I am explaining the all option just for you so that we are aware of all the option and use it properly even if you are not using the laptop for upload. Now here you can see the much more advanced feature than the app. Firstly, you have to give the title of your video. Make sure that your title should be catchy so that more people attract on the video. You can use the YouTube Studio as well for selecting your title. Then we have the description box. Here you can simply explain the video and add some keyword and hashtags. Here you can see the option of tags. Here you can add the tags. After writing every tags, you have to put the comma so that your tag cannot intermix. Now you have to choose language and the caption of your video. And there is the option of language of your video title and description. After selecting the language, if you want to add the date and timing of your video, you can also do that. But I would say that it is not important, so you can leave it. Then you have license option. It is by default on standard YouTube license. Standard license means that the video rights are reserved by the owner. If anyone want to use it, then they have to take permission first from the owner. So have not to do anything in this option. Here you can allow the remixing if you want. There are 2 options, video and audio, both and only audio. Now there is the option of category. And most of creator are confused in this. Is it important? Here are 2 different type of creators. One who have the more number of subscribers and another is who are just starting the YouTube. So if you have the subscribers, then you have not need to define the category, because YouTube algorithm are so advanced that it can automatically choose the category based on your viewer. But if you're just started, then you have to select the category. Initial days of YouTube journey, all creator need to do that so that YouTube can easily identify the type of your content. It is the important for small creators because it defines the type of video which you are creating. Suppose that I am a blogger and I used to make the video on my traveling, my lifestyle, my home, etc. Then I can choose the option of people and blog. Similarly, if you're making tech video, you can select the science and technology. Now what is the benefit of this? This option can directly deliver your video to the audience which are interested in that. Now if your video is delivered to the interested audience, then probability of your video to perform will be high. So this is the simple option but important at the same time, especially for small creator, those who are just starting the YouTube journey. Now there have another option, that is visibility. There are 3 options in that. Most people directly click on the public option, which is not wrong, but the more useful I would say that is unlisted. Because if you selected that option, you can share the link of that video to anyone and can watch the preview of video. If there is something that is private content, you can also edit it before publishing the public. That is the major benefit of this. There is no role of this option in term of use. I am suggesting you that you should try the unlisten option, because there are some benefits of this. Number 1, you can share video privately to anyone. Number 2, if the video have some monetization restriction, then you can solve it easily before publishing. Number 3, you can comment on the video and also pin the comment if you want. All these options are not available in the others. Now you scroll down the tab, you will see the 4th option of schedule. You used to see that some YouTuber have a specific time in which they release their video. They release the video in that specific time because their subscriber are online in that time interval. You can also use that strategy. Simply you have to know that when your viewer are online on YouTube, For example, my viewer are on YouTube mostly between the 6 to 7 p.m. So I can release the video in this time interval. Simply turn the clock on that time and also put the premiere so that all viewers get notified and they can watch the live telecast of the video. YouTube also put the countdown to your video. This is the visibility part. Now moving further on the video, we have subtitle. When you click on that, you will see the three options. First one is upload SRD file. If you are seeing my previous video that you will know that how to add SRD file. If you didn't watch, then I am adding the link in description box. You can watch that video and simply add the SRD file to the subtitle. There is another option of auto synchronize. In this option, YouTube will automatically add the subtitle to the video. It is the good part, but most of the time YouTube can't match the subtitle timeline. So what you can do is, after publishing the video, get back on the subtitle option and manually adjust the timeline. There is another option of manually typing, but it is more time-consuming. So select according to your convenience. The benefit of subtitle is there are many number of people who do not understand the language of your video. So if added the subtitle, then they can simply on the subtitle and understand that what want to say. It is also benefit you. Your viewer will be increased. That is the main reason of adding subtitle. Now the last part of the video uploading is end screen. Clicking on the end screen, you can add the multiple video to the end of video, so that the people who are watching current video can easily click on the end screen video and watch that. Most of the people, they add the most viewed or latest video to the end screen, which is not the right way to put a video to the end screen. Most of the time there is no connect between the current video and end screen video. So make sure if you're putting a video to the end screen, there must have connect with the current video. For example, I made a video on AI that how you can add the subtitle to a YouTube video with the help of AI tools. And in this video earlier is the same topic of subtitle. This means that there is a common field in two video, so I can add that video to the end screen. Another example is, suppose you are making the series of a video in which you divided series into 3 parts. There are now 3 parts. Now you can add the parts of series to the end screen, so that the interest of the viewer remains same and he has curiosity of every upcoming parts. Now we have discussed almost all the secret of how to upload a video. I hope that you all are enjoyed the video, and I am hoping that you all have already subscribed to the channel. So that as the end of this video. Thanks and have a nice day.